Right, let's have a look at this then. Here's our data, here's our formula. We're told to divide by t all the way through. So s over t then, divide by t, divide this by t, and divide that by t. I'll write that one first. bt plus a, so we can compare that with y equals m x plus c, and there's our correspondence for our straight line form, isn't it? So we need to plot s over t against x. So x is t, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. And then we need to plot the y, s over t. And that would be s over t, 32 over 1, which is 32. 68 over 2 is 34. 108 over 3, 36. And 152 over 4 is 38, I think. 38. 152 over 4. 152 divided by 4. Yeah, 38. And the other one, 108 over 4 over 108 over 3. Let's just double check that one. 36. Yeah, everything's okay. Good. Okay, that's s over t. That was our y. So we need xy, don't we? 32, 68, 108, and 152 comes back in, doesn't it? They all come back in. That's the xy's. And then the x squareds we need. 1, 4, 9, 16. We need our totals for the formula. And we need x bar and y bar. X bar, 3, 6, 10, 10 over 4 is 5 over 2 is 2.5. And y bar, 60, 30, 6, you get 120 from these four. 6, 12, 20, and 120 is 140. This was 10, wasn't it? 140 over 4 is 70 over 2 is 35. Then xy bar, that's 100, those two. 200, 300, and 60. 360. 100, 200, 300, and 60. Yeah, that looks good. 25, and 5 is 30. So we need our formula, which I've got here. So let's just take that. And we'll drag it up to where we need it. And we'll work out the values. So x bar xy is 360. Minus 4 times x bar y bar. 4 of these is 10, and 10 those are 1035s are 350. So we can write that down straight away. 350 to the top. N times x bar is 4 2.5s are 10, 1035s are 350. Summation of x squareds is 30. Underneath. Minus 4 times x bar squared, 2.5 squared. Minus 4 times 2.5 squared, that's what we've got. So m is equal to then. And c, 35 minus m times 2.5. So c is equal to. Okay, so 10 that is on top, divided by 30 minus 4 times 2.5 squared underneath 2. So m is 2. 35 times minus 5 is 30. So we end up with then s over t. So m, b is m, isn't it? So b equals 2. And what was the other one? A is the same as C, so A is equal to 30. And then we got our formula S over T, haven't we? Y equals BT plus A. S over T equals BT plus A. And now we can multiply back by T to get a formula that's more user-friendly. S is equal to 2T squared plus 30T. Now the last part of the question. Estimate S when T is 1.8. T equals 1.8. S is equal to 2 times 1.8 squared plus 30 times 1.8. 2 times 1.8 squared plus 30 times 1.8. 60.48. Good. And then the next bit, the last part of the question. Let's just flick back up and get it. Estimate S and T when S is 100. S equals 100. 100 equals 2T squared plus 30T. Divide by 2 all the way through. 50 equals T squared plus 15T. So that tells us then that T squared plus 15T minus 50 equals 0. I think that factorizes 5 tenths. No. 20. No, it doesn't. Because it's a plus and a minus. Okay, so we'll have to work out using the formula. Okay, let's have a look at it then. I'm just going to do it quickly. T equals minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared, 15 squared, minus 4 times A times C, 50, over 2 times 1, might work out right, minus 15 plus or minus oh, it's plus, 450s are 200, so that's the square root of 425 over 2. And we just take the positive square root here, don't we? So it's minus 15 plus the square root of 425 on top. Okay. Oh, we got to get rid of that answer thing. Okay, we get that. Decimal. Divide by 2. Answer divided by 2 then is 2.881. 2.814T to 2 decimal places. And we did need to use the formula there.